Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị si unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mgbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fasịsọ anyị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme dị iche iche na Igbo midia. Dịka o si dị, o nwee nnukwu ya wetara unu ebe akwụkwọ gbasara maka ife na-eme n'obodo a. Anyị ga-achọkọ nke ya bụ ife unu ga-esia ya, unu adọrọpụrụ anyị kọmentị n'ife unu chere n'ụdị nke unu gbasara maka ya bụ ife niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
Right. Okay, that means obtaining for the special status now is not necessary, right?
So if you have your national ID card, passport, or driving license, fine. But remember, if it's something issued by Nigerian government, it's not accepted. That's just the direct answer for this special status application. Please.
Another option for you is that you could visit the police, since you said they have checked your legal status and they authorize you to go. So you can go back there and request that they issue you a kind of a document stating that you reside there illegally that will have your picture. So that can also be put into consideration for as long as it comes from that country in question. But if we do not have any proof that you reside there, then the system has been built in a way that it will not recognize anyone, that their identity cannot be verified, unfortunately.
Okay, that means that they will, if it's possible, they will give you a paper, not like an ID card. Now, can the system accept the paper as the paper which they give to you?
Sorry, can you come again?
I said, like, I should
yes, hold on.
Yeah. Yes, this particular case will be addressed on individual basis. So you must get a criminal report from the police where you are living, the country where you are living in. So you go there and request that you need a police report that will have your details showing that you are law-abiding citizen in that country, or law-abiding residence, and you are crime-free. On that basis, it will be manually verified. Thank you.
Okay, all right, thank you, sir.
So,
thank you.
If the person, I wanted to ask, if the person will be manually verified, there's no need of them verifying online. Please, PM. The reason why I'm asking is because that special status ID card application form, as he
the special status ID card the requirement remain the same. But because somebody is serving under the government and so needed to have the same privilege like every other person has, so those kind of cases are treated on individual basis. So we have to investigate the person. He will submit the document, like I have just said, the police report from the country, just like the asylum status asylum seekers, and we verify them just the way we verify asylum seeker.
Okay, like I was saying, why I'm asking is because that particular type of application form has a KYC activated, because it's meant for ID card. So,
but they will not have the special status ID card because of lacking the required document. So, but what we've offered them is just the opportunity to have the ID card after verifying the identity and verifying the fact that the person is living there without a criminal record.
Okay, so in this case, the form they are going to fill will be which form? I mean, in his case, or that everything will become manually. He's not coming online to fill any form.
No, he will fill form
Okay.
online, just like the asylum, because he said that because he's not an asylum seeker, so he will fill the same category of form that asylum seekers are filling.
Okay. 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 That's what I wanted to understand. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mazi Chidera, while we were communicating, I had to reach somebody from your Senegal to find out if the resident card of Senegal is not given to people anymore. They said they still give, it's about 6 months or 3 months. After that, you can go and get another one, and it is obtainable from the immigration office. So try to also find out so that you can clarify people in your area. Minister Otunwamoya, over to you, please.
Good evening, BIAFRA. Good evening. Thank you for this program. Yes, I have done my registration, and but I believe my wife did it for me, and there is no junior verification. I just asked her, and she said she didn't get that. And the first for the €100 registration, she paid that one, and for the event, she paid that one. The money was accepted, but she had difficulties registering with the link of sending the money. And later she used PayPal, which was accepted. So I don't know. It's obvious that I'm gonna do the registration myself, because since there is Jumi verification, and was not the one who did it, and it was not asked, so I have to do it myself. And the linking, when you want to open the link, is it attached with the Jumia with my phone before I open it, the link? This is my question. Thank you.
Okay, so we've come to realize that when people complete or completely fill the form and they hit on submit, they believe that they are done. But that is wrong. When you fill the forms complete and you click submit, you click submit, it takes you to that process of Jumo verification. That is automatic. You don't have to do anything. Just click on submit. The form will submit, and automatically the system will direct you to Jumo verification page. You are not in control of it. The system is in control of this process. We've come to realize that people, when they get to that stage, they say, no, I don't need to go again. I've already clicked on submit, so nothing else to do. But that is also part of the process. And let's take note, if you do not go to that Jumo verification, we will not be able to see your application that is complete. We will not even see it, and it will not even say complete. It will still remain in pending until you go to that Jumo verification. Once you finish that Jumo verification, the next step is automatic. That is taking you to the payment page. So if you follow this process, believe me, you have a smooth application process. I don't know if I'm clear.
Yeah, maybe
Yes, sir.
Mama join us later when you have done the explanation on that part. So like we said before, we will cut out that very part of the step-by-step guide when you did the explanation, and we'll make it to go viral. So everyone should key in and wait as we do that. Thank you. One last person, like COS said, 3 people before we go to the next. Mazunye Kachuku, unmute yourself.
My question addressed. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your service, sir.
All right. Isn't unmute yourself? You have the
Good
mic.
evening, Biafrans. Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for all the great work you have been doing for us to get this freedom. You are all appreciated. My question is based on the convention certificate. Because my problem is that it's delaying my registration. When I started initially, when I saw the form, I went straight to apply. So when I got to the area to upload my convention certificate, actually I thought it was my ID card, and I uploaded it and submitted. Only for me to come back and see that it is pending. And I chatted on the live chat, and he says I should go to my coordinator, which I have done since last week. The live chat said I should connect with my coordinator, and he will connect to Uche, the European rep. So now I connected with my coordinator, and he said I should give my ID, my full name, and my email address, which I have done since last week. And what I'm getting is hold on. And Uche, European rep, please, if you're hearing me, I've sent you an email, a WhatsApp message to your number since yesterday, and I have not got any. It seems you've not read it. So what I'm asking is, how can this be facilitated, the convention certificate, so that I can be able to meet up with my registration? Another question is the passport. I had the praise saying that the passport initially they made it for you to pay, which I have paid. So I don't know. Immediately I saw it, I paid. I don't know if it's going to affect my registration, because it's also saying pending. And my third question is it possible that the ID, after it is successful, should it be posted directly to one's home address instead of going to the liaison office first? Then you have to also start connecting with them. Is it possible for one to pay and it comes to your address directly? Thank you. These are my questions for now.
Thank you very much. I can go with the convention certificate. I don't know which number you contacted, but I do not have a message here.
Sorry, the number I contacted is the one that I used during the former convention, the WhatsApp number that I used to connect with you. I don't know if it's still effective.
That number is no longer in use. So which country again are you?
I'm in UK, precisely okay. Scotland.
So please reach out to Mazi Boniface, and your matter will be quickly resolved.
That's what I'm saying. I've reached out to him since last week. This evening, she said I should hold on. And, PM said once it's 1,000. So that's my worry, so. Is it?
Okay. Remind him again, and I think he will update me with your information. And in regards to sending your identity card directly to your address, it is very, very necessary that we work with our liaison offices, because they are more like your embassy currently. Of course, we have not declared the restoration of our independence, so they act somehow in that capacity. So it has to go through the liaison offices, and then from there they will distribute the liaison. We'll make an arrangement for the delivery method. It will still come through the delivery method, so it doesn't matter whether it comes directly from where it was printed or from the liaison office. What matters is that it is delivered to your home address.
Okay, that's fine. So can I ask how long does the certificate take? Because it looks like you know, because I'm seeing that there has been a WhatsApp group created for people going to Finland, and people already talking about their hotel bookings, and my form is still pending. It's
Like
not
I
good.
said, once I get your information from your representative, you can get it the same day, so it doesn't
Yeah,
take
he
time.
said that he gave it to you. Even this evening, he tested me that he has given resent it today. That's what the message he gave me this evening. I sent this information to him since last week Thursday to Boniface.
Okay. Please
This
remind him
evening, he
again.
sent me a WhatsApp message that he has resent my information to either you, I don't know,
So
but he
there
said he
is
has
there is
sent it
a
out, and I
there
should
is
hold
another
on.
there is another person in charge of it as well. So perhaps it has gone to that person, but it didn't come to me. So exercise some patience. You're going to receive a response as soon as it's ready.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So another option will be for you, Mas Wishe, to also notify the person as well who is working with you, because we come to realize in the system that most of the pending, like when I discussed with PM today, the convention application form is showing 160 something or so. But then when you look at those who have paid successfully, who have filled the form successfully, the number is less than 100. So
Exactly.
this is the reason why, because we'll be wondering why is it that we're seeing this big number, but in reality, those who have, so we realize that this could be some of the reasons why when they fill the form and they get there, they go back, they go away. So if this process will be speed up, then it will be easier for them to be going through that process, so that we'll have the correct information, real-time information for those who will be making decisions to work with. Thank you.
Thank you. So this is also an awakening for.
Yeah, man, please, the issue of the certificate of participation last year should not be made compulsory. We are going to accredit everybody that is coming, just like we did it last year. So please, a lot of people are having issues with that. So it is not going to be compulsory. So praise, make that particular part optional from tomorrow.
Okay. Noted. Thank you.
I thought it was actually optional because it was just one of the means to prove your participation. I thought it was an optional already, but
yeah. So let it be optional from tomorrow, please.
We'll work on that.
Thank you, PM. COS, over to you, please.
All right, thank you. We go to the second presentation by Dorothy, please. So this second presentation is, if you forget some of the things Praise said, you can always, the link for what Dorothy is going to present right now, you can always go through that link and then have an idea of what to do. Thank you so much. Dorothy, over to you. Go ahead, Dorothy.
Dorothy, don't you have co-host? Dorothy.
Please unmute my okay, now I can see.
Please co-host her. Co-host her, please. Co-host Dorothy.
Okay. Go ahead, please.
Mazia Jere, can you kindly share the screen for me?
For the account verification link from BIAFRA Security Administration. Click on the Verify Here Now button in the email to complete the verification process. After verification, log in to your account. Upon login, a pop-up message will ask if you want to access the application forms. Click on Go to see the overview and the privacy statement page. Please read carefully and tap Agree and Submit button to view the online application form page. Choose between two types of application forms, the ID card application form and the non-ID card application form. Ensure you read through the descriptions of each before making your choice. Once you select your application type, the application form will open to you for you to fill. Fill the entire form with accurate information and upload any required documents. To avoid errors, jot down answers to questions on paper before completing the online form. After successful filling the application form, you will be redirected to the Jumo verification page to verify your identity. Ensure the uploaded identity document matches the one used for verification. After successful Jumo verification, proceed to the payment page to make payments for your ID card. Upon successful payment, you will receive email confirmation. Please allow up to 7 days for administrators to review your application and make approval. Ensure all information provided is correct to avoid rejection and account suspension for security reasons. Make sure you comply with directives and guidelines provided throughout the process. Thank you. For your event registration to Finland Convention, kindly click on the event button on our website menu. This will direct you to the event page. Select the Finland Convention event. You will be taken to the login page. If you have an existing user account, log in with your email and password. Once logged in, Access the convention application form. Fill out the form correctly and select your preferred ticket type. Click on the Pay Now button to make payment for your 2024 Finland Convention event tickets. After successfully submitting your application, wait for 7 days for administrators to review and approve your application. Upon approval, your event ticket will be emailed to you. Please ensure that your email address and all
And by Dalo Lineno, only if Konisi, when I saw any and many rock on Pasinketa, as a Copasinketa Mano Numa, I think which by zero, and the Cosidi, and the Kindle, if I be a Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa, Zoduki Biabo, Iabo, Ibo Media, Kaisiko when you tell Nukozia do Kemba, Geniki when you Basta Makaya Beef. Kabaroke drop for your comment, your own suggestion. Ni endani ne BIAFRA Prime Minister Kuni Robo. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo Media. Daro no munem